All right, so today I'm going to be just testing out a few things. I'm going to show you, first of all, how to get onto Google Classroom, but I also am just testing out this new Screencastify app that comes on the Chromebook, or you can get for the Chromebook, that allows you to record your desktop. The free version allows you to do videos up to 5 minutes long, so we can't go over that. If you do want to pay for a license for it, you can. It's about $29 a year for educators, or there's board site license pricing, but right now I'm just going to be testing it out, see how it works, see if I can upload it directly to YouTube. So first thing I'm going to show you is for those of you who have never used Google Classroom before, but now may be being forced to use Google Classroom or asked politely to use Google Classroom in order to work through this crisis. First of all, when you log into your GNESPES screen, you would have already seen that Classroom is there. Some of you may not be using that yet. Some of you may be using Moodle, which I'm sure is probably a fine alternative as well. I really like Classroom, so I'm just going to show you how to get on there and create a new classroom for those people who have not done that yet. So you click on that classroom, and that will take you into probably an empty screen if you have not used it before. So to get started, you're going to click on that little plus sign that will create a classroom. And if you haven't done this before, it may ask you if you're a teacher or a student. Make sure you select that you're a teacher if you are. So it's going to ask you some information. Fill out for that class, so you can create your class. And then once that's created, the only other thing I'm going to show you in this video is just how to get that classroom code so that you can share it with your students. And depending on your internet speed from home. Okay, so there we go. So the classroom code, as you can see for this one here, it's right there, DD2ETV6. And then you can put that on a larger screen, and I think you can go full screen, or you can copy that. There's an option here somewhere. There we go, class code. Under the settings, and you can copy that, and you could send that out however you're communicating with your students at this point. So you could send that out through an email, you could place that into a website, but some way you can communicate that code with your students. And then once they get on here, you can actually use the Google Classroom to do the majority of your communicating, and I might get into that with some of the further videos that I make.